Hello people, I wanted to show you how to render glass shader in Arnold. There is one option which I wanted to mention because when I first rendered, my glass was dark. It was looking like that. When I adjusted my render, now it is looking like that. It also depends if you have proper index of refraction, but the most important setting is to do with complete different settings in Arnold, and I will talk about it in a minute. But if you adjust your material, uh, change index of refraction to high value. Oh, this is important. Even Arnold tells you and gives you answers when you want to know. Okay, I will show you now which settings are the most important. Transparency depth, this is important. The higher value, the more rays are coming through. Transparency depth, transmission is more transparent. Actually, this is to do with refraction, I believe. But that one is important. If you only leave value 1 or in transmission value 1, let's check if I leave both values at lower number. Maybe I will decrease render size because it will take less time for render to be generated. So we can see in real time, because those two settings in render are very important. It is still visible glass. Oh, we have very fast render time in that resolution, but let's skip this bit and I will show you if I decrease my values. Okay, I will decrease transmission and transparency depth. Now you will see the glass will look dark and black. I have got 2K resolution monitor, but for purposes, for demonstration purposes, I have to use lower render value. I'm looking forward to my RTX 2080 graphics card. Oh, this is what I meant by saying to you by adjusting those values. Another thing I wanted to check if I increase transmission up to 7 and I will leave transparency depth. Because I believe transparency depth is important. I think the most important, but I will check if I increase only transmission, how this behaves. Both settings are important, people. Both settings. You can see it's little bit transparent, but if you increase that one, this is more important. I want to check, at least my graphics card generates quite quick, because it's not the highest resolution that I'm rendering my image. I wouldn't use my processor, I got AMD Ryzen, but Ryzen doesn't render very fast. I think my graphics card is better for rendering. I will wait a little bit longer. You can see the difference. The glass is no longer black. And I am hoping that you like my video tutorial. Let's check what happens if I increase ray limit total. This will increase render time, but the glass probably will be more visible. This is to do with diffuse bounces. the light bounces in the corners. It will be even better, but at the same time, render time increases. Actually, it's not too bad. Depending what resolution of render you have, you can see the difference. The light is bouncing in the corners. The glass is more visible, but this topic was to do with uh, it is completely different topic. This is to do with uh, how bright your render will be, how much light is diffusing in the corners. But if you decrease this, and it will be dark at the same time. Okay, I will check what happens if I use only value 2, ray limit total. The light will not diffuse as it was diffusing before. I can render for you. Oh, even the glass itself change its. Even the glass is not coming up. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Ray total limit is all same orchid people when you render the glass. Oh, I'm very surprised to see this because I didn't realize this will have. This option is also in orchid people when you render a glass shader. The light is diffusing even through glass. I hope you like my video tutorial. Okay. I hope you will be able to render the glass easy. I am using the highest resolution because I got 2K resolution monitor so I can use wallpaper when I finish my render. So I can use this as a beautiful wallpaper or whatever. Have a nice day people and sleep well.